Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tree here, and we're back again with our little. Whoa! Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. I did that. Alright. So where's that man cave? Where's our man cave at here? Let's change the to far. Let's change that to far, and let's look around here, shall we? We need to find our man cave. Oh yeah, our man cave. Our man cave should be over here somewhere. Yep. Our man cave is like right there. Where is it? I know it was at the end of at the repeat. There it is. There's our man cave. Men only. To the man cave. Men only. Alright, so last time we built the man cave. This time we're going to be building a different town. That's the Gentleman's Club, and the town is going to be built. Let me turn this down again. Change it down to normal there. Everybody's crowding around there. Endermen are dying. Shit is going down. So, our town will be built right in here. So, without further ado, speed build, go!